Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at finally putting our Ecwid shop into our Wix webpage that we built. Now where I am, I'm on the Wix webpage that I built, so I've got the Batcave back up and running, and we're going to put our shop here, which is in this page area. So how we do that is we need some code. So how to get this code from Ecwid is there's a link below that I'm going to put up, and it's going to generate the code for you. So all you need is your store ID, and basically you go to this web page, it says generate your code, you put in your store ID here, and you copy this code. As you can see, the store ID is generated here from this. Go right click, copy. So coming back to our website, we go over to the left-hand side and we click on Add. We click on HTML iframe and we click and drag it over to our page, which says Attach to Page, and we let it go. It creates this gray box and it's got Enter Code. So we click on Enter Code and we click where it says HTTPS only. We click, right-click with your mouse and go Paste. Now we go Apply. And we close this box, and as you can see, it's starting to load your Ecwid store. And I've just adjusted it basically for the page size. So if I go preview in the top right hand corner, that's what your website's going to look like. Your store's going to be down here, and if anyone clicks on these, it's going to change just within that box frame. Now you can make that really big, you can make it small, whatever size you like, but it's basically going to be in here. So we can go store again. It's got all of your items that you've made in your store, and they'll show up with their prices and everything. It's got a fully functional cart as well. So if we add to bag, you've got your shopping bag, and you go, yes, I want to add it to the shopping bag. So you go continue, and it's ticked it. It's basically added it to your shopping bag. What you would need to do is you go open shopping bag, and it opens it. Here it is, $5. It's $5 shipping, because remember we set up our weight versus what it's going to cost for shipping, and we can check out. Very simple. That's how you add your Ecwid shop to your Wix website. Well done.